hope you can only see the top half of me because the bottom half is just short. I am making haggis today. Thank you, Adi. Adi made this haggis. So here it is. This is a proper haggis. You know, stuffed entrails and viscera in the stomach lining or bladder of some fucking thing. I don't know. Anyway, I'm cooking that now. What I have going on at the moment is I've got some potatoes, sweet potatoes and carrots. The sweet potatoes and carrots, I've got a little bit of a layer of cinnamon. That really makes it taste so much better. Thanks, Mom. Learned that from you. The potatoes, well, the potatoes and sweet potatoes, I'm going to, when they're ready, slice them up a little bit and throw some butter in. Not margarine, butter. And bye. So, here's what I'm doing is veggies are in there. I'm going to leave them in there at about, what's the temperature? Around 190, 200 degrees Celsius. And I've got, at the recommendation of my very good friend who actually made this, Adi, I've loosely foil wrapped it so that it can, I don't know why actually. I think it's because, you know, you want it to sort of steam out. That is what it is. I've remembered now. So we're going to let that happen. Going to wait for a while. Let the veggies cook. I can smell the cinnamon. It's amazing. Honestly, cinnamon and butter on certain vegetables really works well. So carrots, sweet potatoes, oh, get in there. Don't go heavy on it because you can ruin it. Just a light sprinkle, and you're good to go. Alright. So, the veggies are in. I'm looking to put the haggis in now. As I explained before, as instructed by Adi Febrery, so if this doesn't work out, he can go fuck himself. But other than that, fucking love the guy. So, this bad boy now, with a little space, I'm going to put that on a hot plate. And yes, hang on. I'm going to pull the veggies for a second here. God damn it. Alright. They're doing well. Going to where is damn it, doesn't matter. I'm just going to string them around a bunch. That'll do. That replaces using tongs. That works for me. So I'm going to put them on the lower tray now, and the haggis gets top notch, and that gets 45 minutes after that I'll remove the foil and slice through the stomach lining and let it rest for 5 minutes to brown a little bit. Haggis! I will add the photo, but I added onions and threw on a little bit of what you call it, balsamic vinegar. It's going to caramelize them really nicely. It's going to go really well with the dish. Bye. Oh, while the haggis browns for 5 minutes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut into the potatoes and the sweet potatoes. Just put a little bit of butter in there and then put them back in the oven, you know, for 5 minutes. And it'll just seep through, it'll turn both of them into just fluffy vegetables. Alright, bye. Okay, so I reckon we're done. Haggis and veg. So, let's go for veggies first. Oh, they're beautiful. So I want to get a potato on there. Beautiful. Carrots. Okay, I've got to get rid of the glove so that I can do this. Carrots, oh, they look amazing. Soft, cinnamon. Oh, you can smell it in a heartbeat. And there we have sweet potato. And we're going to get the onions on there. It's amazing, actually. It's amazing. I'm going to save that because I'm not going to eat all of the haggis tonight. So let's get that in there. Oh, look at that beauty. Alexa, stop. Alright, that was my 5-minute warning. I didn't listen to it because she can go fuck herself. So I'm going to cut this in half. It's beautiful. It's beautifully done. The haggis is perfect. It's absolutely perfect. I am going to put this back in the oven, turn off all the heat, because I don't mind it being done a little longer. That's fine. Let's turn all of that off. But that is absolutely perfect. I might throw some sauce on there. Haven't decided yet. Might look at an OXO cube thing. We'll get there. Doesn't matter. That's fucking amazing.